The Menards Big Card, issued by Capital One NA, is a co-branded store credit card that essentially forces frequent Menards shoppers to choose between two very different benefits on every single purchase, a rebate or special financing. It is crucial for anyone considering this card to understand that it is designed to be a powerful tool only if you are extremely disciplined and always pay your balance in full, because the standard variable annual percentage rate sits at a dangerously high 28.99%. Carrying any balance on a regular purchase will quickly wipe out any savings you might have earned, making the card too expensive for daily use outside of its promotions. The card's core appeal lies in its dual nature. For the everyday shopper who pays their balance monthly, the card acts as a straightforward rewards card, giving you a strong 2% rebate on all Menards purchases. That rate is very competitive for a home improvement store, and you also get a 1% rebate on gas and merchandise at select big network partners like Speedway, Holiday, Quick Trip, and Quick Star. Plus, the new cardholder gets a $10 rebate on the first $100 spent. Plus, there is no annual fee, so keeping the card open for the occasional project is free. For those undertaking major home projects, the card offers 3 special financing options, which is where things get interesting and much more complicated. The most attractive offers are the 12-month 0% APR equal payments option for purchases over $599 and the low fixed rate 48-month 5.99% APR equal payments plan for large expenses over $1,500 like a kitchen remodel. These plans offer predictable, budget-friendly ways to manage big bills over time. However, the cons of this card are significant, and they are where the biggest risks lie. The number one drawback is that the reward and financing options are mutually exclusive. You cannot earn the 2% rebate on any purchase for which you select special financing. The second major risk is embedded in the 6-month no-interest plan for purchases of $299 or more, which utilizes a hazardous deferred interest model. This means that while no interest is charged initially, it is secretly accruing in the background at that massive 28.99% variable rate from the purchase date. If even 1 penny of the original balance remains when the 6-month term expires, or if you miss a payment, all the accrued interest for the entire period is retroactively added to your balance. This is a massive financial trap designed to catch consumers who miscalculate or face an unexpected expense. Compounding this inflexibility, the 2% rebate itself is not issued as cashback or a statement credit, but as a Menards merchandise certificate mailed out only quarterly. This forces you to spend your savings back at Menards, limiting the practical cash value of the reward. In summary, the Menards Big Card is only recommended for 2 types of highly disciplined shoppers. The first is the dedicated Menards customer who will always pay the statement balance in full every month to capture the competitive 2% rebate while completely avoiding all interest charges. The second is the homeowner who needs the predictable, long-term financing offered by the 48-month 5.99% APR plan for a major renovation and is absolutely certain they can meet those payments for 4 years. For anyone who carries a balance on their credit cards, or for those who would use the short-term 6-month deferred interest offer without a meticulously planned and guaranteed payoff strategy, the standard variable APR of 28.99% is simply too expensive and the deferred interest risk is too high. The risk of paying all that retroactive interest if you miss the deadline is a financial pitfall that most people should avoid.